Today I'm making Spiderweb cereal treats. First, in a large pot I have 4 tablespoons of butter. Next, I'm going to add a bag of marshmallows and cook this on medium heat until everything is melted. Now that everything is melted, I'm going to add 6 cups of this Wednesday's cookies and cream cereal. Next, I'm going to mix this up until the cereal is coated in the marshmallow mixture. Next, I'm going to add the cereal mixture into a lined 9x13 pan. Next, I have a piece of parchment paper that I sprayed with some cooking spray, and I'm going to press that down to make an even layer of the cereal treats, and then I'm going to let this set up for about 1 hour. Now the cereal treats are cooled, I'm going to cut them into 12 pieces. Now I have some melted white chocolate. I'm going to dip each cereal treat in the melted white chocolate and then put it back on the piece of parchment paper. Now the cereal treats are coated in the white chocolate, I'm going to make the spider web on each one. So first I'm going to make 3 circles using some black gel icing. Next I'm taking a toothpick and dragging the icing out to make those spider web lines, and I'm just going to repeat the process with the rest of the cereal treats. Then I let the cereal treats set up for 1 hour before adding them to a tray, and here's an up close look.